We did this project at Monginis in Bombay at their factory in Bhiwandi where we converted their baking ovens from LDO to LPG. Monginis was using LDO for their baking application for their baked goods, and they used LDO at a rate of about 2500 liters per day. But the issue with LDO, of course, it being a liquid fuel, more polluting, is that it gives a lot of unburnt fuel on the product as well. Sometimes it gives a lot of soot, it gives of course a lot of carbon emissions. So they had this problem. That's where they approached Punegas to help them convert their LDO fired ovens to LPG. Of course, the benefit with LPG is very well known. It's a clean fuel, it's a low cost of fuel as well. The energy content is very high. There is no carbon emissions at all. It doesn't leave any unburnt fuel, or it doesn't leave any particles on the food surface. When we converted their entire factory and all their ovens, all their baking lines from LDO, which is light diesel oil, to LPG. So first and foremost, the fuel cost reduced from using 2500 liters of LDO per day to only using 1800 kgs of LPG per day. So you can imagine a huge difference and a huge saving in the quantity of fuel used. The cost of fuel also reduced drastically, and Monginis was able to save 36,000 rupees per day. Total cost of the project was about 85 lakh rupees or 86 lakh rupees roughly. And whereas the total return on investment or the payback period was only about 8 months. It directly impacted their bottom line, directly improved their profit margins on the product as well. And one of the most important things that happened with this project was the increase in productivity because of the reduction in baking time. So LPG with a higher energy content, you need less time to bake the same product. So their average baking time for one lot of product was 15 minutes in one batch of oven. But with LPG, they saved 4 minutes on every 15 minutes, which is also a very big saving. Imagine increasing your production quantity without having to even invest a single rupee in putting a new production line. Also for this project, a big thank you to not just Monginis for having trusted us in our capabilities and ability to deliver the project in a very short span of time, but also a big thank you to Bharat Petroleum Corporation, which really came on board as a partner in this project.